PI Konkan Railway had received information from PI RPF Margam, informing that two male persons would be, description was given, and the information was that both these persons would be visiting Margam railway station, and they would be carrying consignment of whale vomit, ambergris. The timing was mentioned as per the information, and PI Konkan Railway, along with the RPF staff, with the assistance of forest official, a raid was conducted, and both the persons, as per the descriptions, were traced, and they were located, and a raid was conducted, and from their possession, whale vomit, which is an illegal substance, was seized from their possession. Its weight is 5 kg 694 grams, and 1 kg of whale vomit costs around more than a crore. So the cost of the seized article is 5 crore 60 lakhs 94,000 rupees.
काल राती कोकण रेल्वे पुलीस मडगांव आणि आरपीएफ मडगांव हांणी एक केल्या जॉयंट ऑपरेशना भितर 2 जाण केरळाचे भुरग्यांक अरेस्ट केल्ले आसात. 2 जाण हे भुरगे आसात ते वेल वॉमिटिंग म्हणल्यार अंबरग्रीस हे घेवन स्मगल करताले, आणि वेल ही जी आसा एक प्रोटेक्टेड स्पीशीज जाल्ले कारणान हांकां स्मगलिंग एक्टा अंडर आणि वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्टा अंडर कोकण रेल्वेन अरेस्ट केल्ले आसात. मुख्य गजाल म्हणल्यार जे तांणी सबस्टन्स धरला ताका अंबरग्रीस म्हणटात, आणि हे अंबरग्रीस हाजो इंटरनॅशनल मार्केटाक हाका भरपूर डिमांड आसा आणि भरपूर व्हॅल्यू आसा. जवळ जवळ गोल्डाच्या काही म्हारग अशें हाजो डिमांड आसा, आणि ही टोटल आणि आज कोकण रेल्वेन धरिल्ली आसा ती 5 किलो 600 ग्राम इतकी धरिल्ली आसा. ताजो टोटल वर्थ रुपीज जो पैशांनी मोल जो आसा तो जाता जाल्यार 5 कोटी 60 लाख आणि 94 हजार इतलो वर्थ जाता. ह्या पुलिसांनी हांकां कोर्टा मुखार दवरिल्ले, आणि कोर्टान तांकां 5 दिसां रिमांड दिल्लो आसा. गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर मडगांवच्यान हांव गौरव मलकानेकार.